All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time, it is always time to make this money. Regardless if it's red days or green days, we don't care. We make money both ways. Now, not only do we make money both ways, but the group is pretty awesome, because in the group, we don't post 15, 20 charts a day, and then hopefully you get into one of them. So let's just say it's only 10 a day. In 7 days, that's 70 charts. Can you get into all those 70? I don't think so. So of course, last night was pretty crazy. Last night, a bunch of the alerts were going off, and Bitcoin wasn't looking good. Bitcoin wasn't looking good. Man, last night, the group's amazing. The group is truly amazing. We were killing it with Bitcoin updates. You know, I would throw a chart up. Another member would look at it from a different angle. Another member would look at it from a different perspective as well, going to different websites as far as just the whole way of looking at the crypto market. Then, of course, we started talking about the. Let me just show you. this is one thing that I love. Let's come over here to this. This is Forex Factory, and under the calendar, we started talking about the CPI and the PPI, and that is going to be happening next week. Now, all this stuff, it affects the market. It really does. And of course, we do have Fed Chair Powell testifies. Go to this little thing right here, this little folder, and it shows you what it is. So this is pretty important as well. We have to be aware of all this stuff. And I absolutely love the community because, man, we were kicking butt last night. We were kicking some butt. So who is here, guys? Who is here? Let me know in the chat. Let me know. Do we have, let me see if I can do this. Yes, we do. All right, good stuff. So let's go and put that in there. If you have those emojis, man, put those emojis in there. That's pretty cool. I'm pretty biased. I do like it. I like it a lot. All right, so let's go and get this squared away. Move this over here. That's funny. Isn't that the way it always happens? Like you're early, then it's like, oh crap, I'm late. So I was like, let me do another thumbnail real quick. So got that squared away. All right, moving on. Okay, so we have some pretty big ones, pretty big losers at the moment. We have dog with hat. So we have WIF, we have FTM, ENS. Now what I love doing is I like looking at these so that we can get that bounce. Now, one thing we're going to do, of course, what we always do is we look at Bitcoin. We look at Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin's doing. Is it going to continue going down? If so, we'll continue with our shorts. Now, some groups may have been posting a whole bunch of shorts. And then now it's up to you to decide, man, which one should I get into? They literally posted 20 charts within the last like 2 hours. Which one? Or you wake up and you see all these shorts being posted. In our group, we had 2. That's it. Not a tough choice to get into. Not a tough choice. And then there was one that I put in a video when I was making a thought process video in reference to the shorts and what Bitcoin was doing, how it was looking. And I said, you could get into this one right now if you wanted to, but I'm just going to wait. And then it was just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I haven't checked on it yet. Well, I've been checking on it, but I haven't checked on it recently in the past like 30 minutes. So I'm not sure if it's come down, but once again, I did give an opportunity for that, but we'll see. We'll see. But I do like these double digits. Normally in double digits, I pay attention to those and wait for it to potentially bounce. Now, when do you know when it bounces? So one thing that I don't like, and I watch a lot of YouTubers, whether it's in the background just for noise or like intensely looking at it. And so many people say, oh, well, you know, what you want to do is you want to buy the bounce. You want to see where it bounces to, dead cat bounce, whatever. But they never explain like what is a bounce. Obviously, we know what a bounce is when it changes direction. But like, how do you identify it? Like on what time frame and what? Give me your definition of a bounce instead of saying after the fact, like they all do. Well, for my definition of a bounce, it's when you have 3 or 4 minimum 4-hour candles that are either going sideways and slightly up, or where there's a defined pivot where price comes down, it stops, and it reverses. So this is a bounce. It has to have 3 to 4 4-hour candle closes. So that is a bounce. Nobody tells you what a bounce is. But here on this channel, we give you the who, what, where, when, why. So give you a heads up on that. All right, moving on. Let's see here. We got Sam in the house. What's up, Sam? Appreciate you being here. We have Chevy Guy. Chevy Guy. What's up? What is up? I got Crypto 420. Happy to have you here, guys. We got Grant in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? We got Jono. Appreciate you for being here, Jono. And we got Peter. Thank you, Peter. Who else is here, guys? Who else is here? We got Ian in the house. Thank you, Ian, for being here. Appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea. So we do have Lido, LDO, double digit. So if you want any coin kind of reviewed to either look for a possible bounce, maybe a coin you're in and you're down, you want to know, is there any relief coming pretty soon? Well, we can check it out. The first 5-10 minutes is pretty much planned because we go over Bitcoin. After that, that's the end of the show. Joe, you got to be more professional. Nope, I reserve an hour for you guys. If you have any questions, please ask. I was looking at a YouTuber this morning doing a live stream, as always, and he was jumping around like a little boy at Christmas. Why? Why would you say, why did he have so much excitement? Why was he hooping and hollering and screaming and clapping his hands and getting all red in the face? Why was he doing that? What happened? Did he win the lottery? Did he win an inheritance? Did he get like the best news ever? You know, his childhood best friend is in town and they're surprising him with a dinner or something. What made him so happy that he was literally jumping around, clapping his hands, getting all red in the face? What made him so happy? Man, my camera, I am really washed out. Uh-oh. Crap. Is it gonna change? Okay. I gotta adjust the camera later. But what made him so happy? Well, he won a trade. A professional trader won a trade. Then he's like, man, I wonder if I can do it back to back. So then he entered, and as soon as he entered, he's like, well, you know, it's normally when I enter again, like it goes to red, but you know, we're just gonna do it. Emotions. So then he does it, and it starts going green, and he's talking, and like not even 10 seconds go by, and then it turns red. And then right away he starts, well, you see, you know, sometimes when you do this, and you know, I might even just get stopped out. You know, I already had one really good win, and I might get stopped out. Right away he's talking negative to where if he does get stopped out, it's okay. And then starts going green again, and then he starts talking how great he is and everything else. Then it starts turning red again. And it's like, man, I should just, you know, move up my stop loss and be in profit. And his risk to reward ratio is horrible. It looks great on paper, but then when he trades on emotion, and it's literally like flipping a coin. And he's starting to be in profit because he trades with such high leverage. He moves up that stop loss to where, you know, he gets stopped out in profit. Like, good for him. Oh, and then he started screaming like a little kid at Christmas because he won again. He won 2 back to back. And I'm thinking, wow, man, you're a professional? And he's got all his minions cheering him on. I was like, do you not see what's going on? Of course they don't, because they're new, and they're like, oh my gosh, you're the best. I even saw a comment saying, you know, trading on live on the 1 minute chart, nobody does this. You're the man, you're the GOAT, I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Wow. But oh well. Smash the like, guys. Smash the likes. Yes, guys, please definitely smash the. Ooh, we are so far down on the likes. What's going on? Let's see here. Crypto Candy says, smash those likes. I support the channel, and let's get, yeah. So Crypto Candy is actually at work. He pops in to smash the like, and of course, you know, participate in the channel. And this guy's at work, so definitely smash the likes. All right. So moving on, we do have a Jasmine. Spoiler alert, we're in Jasmine short. We're doing very well in this one. I actually did a video on this one, letting them know that I was going to go 5x, but if it was higher risk, it looked like it was going to break the level. And I said, you could do this 5x. I'm doing it. well, I'm thinking about doing it. Like I'll let you know. In the video I said this, and then I said we have to wait for it to break this level, and then I'd recommend like a 3x, just due to the fact of where the stop loss is at. Broke the level. Well, before it broke the level, I let the group know. It's like, all right, guys, just for full transparency, I went ahead and entered it. I don't have time to be looking at this. I'm doing other charts right now. I'm updating the group with other things. I went ahead and entered. And then like an hour later, I guess, the alert went off saying, oh, it's time to enter. So then I notified everybody. I'm not sure my thing is working. I'm like really confused right now. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Smash the likes. So of course, with the likes, they are fuel. They are fuel. If the likes aren't there, well then the fuel runs out. Give you a heads up. Y'all got 4 minutes. And it's funny, last time, and if you don't believe me, yeah, don't do anything. But it's funny, last time I mentioned this, and I ended up stopping the show and going about my day. And I got a couple people asking me in the DMs, they're like, Joe, you were serious. I said, yeah, I'm serious. Like, I'm here because I'm here to make you money. Like, I can make money on my own, but I'm here to show you the stuff that I do for free. All I ask, smash the likes. So the likes need to go up for us to continue the show. If not, I go about my day. Making money. All right, moving on. Okay, so this is all I want to show with this. Let's get to Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. All right. This is what we were looking at, guys. This is what we were looking at. Let's go ahead and zoom out just a tad. Let's zoom out just a tad. Of course, right here, we have a lot of liquidity, a lot of strong sellers. I really wish when people used big words, they explained what it is, because not everybody knows what you're talking about when you say certain words. So what I do is I try my best to explain what I'm talking about. So liquidity means people who are buying and selling. That's all that is. So here we have very strong liquidity, very strong sell orders right at this number 71.9. We can just call it 72. We have a lot of people selling right here. They have sell orders in. Now, another number to look at is 73,794. We can just call this 73.8. This is the all-time high. This is another number, another amount that we're looking for. Ooh, we got 2 minutes, guys, and then I'm gone. We had one extra like. It's okay. Fine with me. I got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Let's see here. Grant says, hey, Joe, how about AI tech? I'm in this coin. I'm down 20%. Ooh, you are doing great. I'm down like 70. I think I'm down 70. Yeah. Maybe 50. Feels like 70. Let's see here. Some strong support at the level 4 hour, hoping to a bounce. Your thoughts, please. All right. We will see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Ian says, only 3 likes. One is on mine. Wow. Yeah, we got 1 minute, guys. We got 1 minute. Yeah, if those likes don't come up, it's done, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Matter of fact, let me just wait instead of giving y'all all this alpha. I just wait. Oh, there was one. So look at this right here. Oops. So right here we have this little itty bitty red. It's itty bitty red, and this long red. And at this time, this was possible bullish divergence. Price was right here, and price was about here. So this was possible divergence because this hasn't made a pivot. And this is why it's so important. I see so many YouTubers, especially the guy that I was watching this morning, would call this divergence, but it's not. It's possible divergence because it has not made a pivot. I gotta talk fast because I got 23 seconds. See, Crypto420 says, I hit the like long time ago. Grant says, I liked it. It's the final countdown. Yep, sure is. That's fine, guys. Well, it was good. But just, I'll finish this one thought and then we'll leave. See here. I liked it too. Oh, thanks. You liked it on X as well. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. So yeah, I'll just finish this thought and then I'll go about my day. So with this being possible divergence, the reason it's possible is because one, it hasn't made a defined pivot, several candles. It could continue to come down. And if it continues to come down, well, then it could go lower than this. And guess what happened? It's doing it at the moment. So this is no longer divergence. And I even wrote that here, possible bullish divergence. If price action continues lower, then no longer divergence. This is what I teach you. I teach you the true facts when it comes to crypto. Others, they teach you what they were taught by their mentors. And are they successful? Yes, of course. Why? It's a numbers game. That's all it is. But when you know that about possible divergence, when you know what a bounce is, when you know what to look for when it comes to strong sell orders, all-time highs, support levels, we have, let me show you over here. We have, you know, all this is super clear. Look at this. Support levels, the levels that they're at. All this, I'll leave those there. And another support level between 50 and 52. This is what we're shooting for. We've been shooting for this forever now. Just waiting. The longer that it was up here, the less likely it looked for it to come down. Now, this is looking very obtainable. Very obtainable, but we'll see. Let's see here. All right, guys. That's it for me. I do thank you so much. No story time today. No likes, no fuel for the show. I do thank you very much. And we will see you tomorrow. Let's see. I'm on YouTube only showing one like. What was? Well, I'm showing 4 only. Yeah, I can't work on 4. There's not enough fuel on 4. Yep. All right, guys. So that's it for me. I do thank you so much. We will see you tomorrow. As always, let's make this money. Going up or going down, doesn't matter. When you know how to trade, you can make some money. Be very careful with those people out there who like to bamboozle you. Be very careful. I do appreciate you guys. And the awkward looking down. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I already said my outro. All right, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Whoa.
Talking, still ain't know your secrets. Sounding like a little girl pushing 50, still ain't crypto rich. Probably lit. Listen, basement, just face it. You a shade trader, just face it. You a shade trader, just face it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna continue this in the VIP for sure. Definitely in the VIP. So get ready, guys. We're gonna go to the VIP. We'll get you taken care of.